The Miele Duoflex Total Care Vacuum Cleaner is a symphony of engineering, blending form and function into a single, elegant tool for the modern home. Its sleek obsidian black body, accented with a whisper of rosé gold, hints at the premium performance within, while its cordless and bagless design offers a freedom from clutter and constraint. This Miele Duoflex Stick Vacuum is not merely a cleaning appliance, but rather a versatile and powerful partner in maintaining a pristine living space. For it effortlessly glides across both hard floors and carpets with the grace of a dancer and the might of a storm. Furthermore, its lightweight construction ensures easy maneuverability, allowing you to navigate around furniture and into tight corners with unparalleled ease. So you can transform your cleaning routine from a chore into a seamless and satisfying experience. Indeed, the true magic of the Miele Duoflex Stick Vacuum lies in its remarkable adaptability. For it is equipped with a comprehensive suite of 4 attachable brushes and accessories designed to tackle any cleaning challenge. These specialized tools are like an artist's palette, providing a unique brush for every canvas. Whether you're dusting delicate surfaces, reaching into high corners, or meticulously cleaning upholstery, thus, you can seamlessly transition from a deep carpet clean to a gentle dusting of shelves without missing a beat, because the quick release mechanism makes switching attachments a breeze. Consequently, this Miele Duoflex Stick Vacuum transforms from a floor cleaner into a handheld marvel, allowing you to effortlessly tackle car interiors, stairs, and even the most intricate nooks and crannies with precision and power. Ultimately, the Miele Duoflex Total Care Vacuum Cleaner is an investment in both cleanliness and convenience. Representing a new standard in home care, it is a testament to Miele's dedication to quality and innovation, offering a powerful suction that is a vacuum's heartbeat, yet operating with a quiet hum that won't disrupt your peace. In addition to its impressive cleaning power, the vacuum's easy-to-empty dustbin and simple maintenance routine ensure that your focus remains on enjoying a spotless home rather than on tedious upkeep. Therefore, this vacuum is more than a simple machine. It is an ally in the ongoing battle against dust and dirt, a beacon of modern convenience, and a truly essential addition to any home that values both impeccable cleanliness and effortless living. Pros: superior cleaning, powerful suction, quality build and parts, variety of accessories, works well on all surfaces, easy to maneuver, gets pretty much flat to ground, lighter jobs. Lightweight, easy to use, great size, all attachments are useful, easy to empty the canister. Sufficient battery on low setting, automatically adjusts on rugs, quick to charge, stylish. Value for money, feels more like an appliance, much quieter, costs much less, just as good as Miele Gemini. Battery lasts a full hour, maneuvers with ease, great suction, picks up dog hair on one pass. Cons: battery doesn't last long, heavier than it looks, doesn't stand up on its own. Dustbin capacity is quite small, dustbin is frustrating to empty, glitch that can't be reset. Features: multi-floor flexible stick, 4 attachable brushes, includes accessories, obsidian black color, rose gold accents, Miele Duoflex brand, total care model, lightweight and flexible. The Miele Duoflex Total Care is a cordless, bagless, multi-floor stick vacuum. It comes in an obsidian black finish with rose gold accents. The vacuum is lightweight and flexible, making it easy to maneuver. It includes 4 attachable brushes and other accessories for versatile cleaning. The Miele Duoflex Total Care is a cordless, bagless stick vacuum known for its powerful suction and quality build. Designed for all surfaces, it's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and comes with a useful variety of accessories, including 4 attachable brushes. The vacuum automatically adjusts its power on different surfaces and can lie nearly flat to reach. Under furniture, users appreciate its ease of use, including how simple it is to empty the canister and its quick charging time. It's also stylish, quieter than many other vacuums, and considered a great value, performing comparably to more expensive models like the Miele Gemini. However, its downsides include a small dustbin, a battery that may not last long on higher settings, a heavier feel than expected, and the inability to stand up on its own.